Hello friends, welcome to Gadget Kada. Today I'm here to show you the speed test comparison of the fiber plans of Jio versus Asianet versus Kerala Vision. So without further wasting more time, let's check that out. So okay guys, to get started, first of all I am testing out the Jio. This is the Jio router. This is a Wi-Fi router wherein this is a 2.4 GHz router. The plan which I am currently running is the 100 Mbps plan. So let's check out the speed test. So I've connected to the Jio home Wi-Fi. That is a Wi-Fi router. I haven't connected to any other router. So currently I'm running this Ookla speed test. So as you can see here, the results show that I just get around 27 Mbps of download speed and an upload speed of 34. So to just get a comparison, I have ran the speed test app again. That is, now I am getting somewhere around 27, 29, yeah, 31. So and the upload speed came around 33 to 35. So usually what I get is around 35 to 40. So you will have to keep in mind this is a 100 Mbps connection. I am getting just around 38 to 40 most of the time. So to be pretty sure, I've used another app, that is fast.com, to test out the speeds. Here I was getting 33 Mbps download speed and 55 Mbps upload speed. To conclude, with Jio I was getting around 30 to 40, that is the download speed, and around 35 to 50, that is the upload speed I am getting. So moving to the next one in the list is the Asianet fiber to home connection. So they have also upgraded with the latest fiber to home technology, and they also provided a Wi-Fi modem with them. So testing out the Asianet Wi-Fi modem. So the first one in the list will be to test out using the Ookla speed test. So with this I was getting around 20 to 30 Mbps of download speed, and the upload speed was somewhere touching around 45 to 50. So most of the time I was getting the speed around somewhere around 30 to 40. That was the most of the time I was getting that speed, and the upload speed was a bit higher, on the higher side. Most of the time it was touching around 35 to 45. That is what I can say. So this is what I was getting using Ookla speed test app. So I've tested out also with the fast.com app. Here also I was getting somewhere around the same results. So as you can see here, the speed test using the fast.com, the download speed is 38 Mbps, and the upload speed, as I said earlier, it is a little more better. That is, I got around 44 Mbps speed. So to conclude, using the Asianet fiber to home connection, I was getting a download speed which was similar to Jio connection. That is download speed is 40 Mbps and upload speed I would say 40 to 45 Mbps. So moving to the last one in the list is Kerala Vision connection. That is available exclusively for the users in Kerala. So this one also comes with the Wi-Fi modem, and so to start off with it, I've connected to the Kerala Vision wireless connection, and first of all we can test the speed using the Ookla speed test app. So there you go, I have started the test using the Ookla speed test app, and as you can see here, this is what we want. This is how an 100 Mbps connection should perform. So the download speed, it's actually touching 99 to 100, and also the upload speed, you can see it touches 100. So this is what we expect from a 100 Mbps connection. I was getting almost the same results when I was using Jio during the initial days, and after a month, when more users started using it, the speed has gradually reduced. I would say it has reduced to 50%. So I've also tested out using the fast.com app, and I was getting the similar results. So from my test, you can simply conclude that Kerala Vision was outperforming both the other connections, Jio and Asianet fiber to home. So if you want a dedicated video covering all the tariffs and plans available for any of the fiber to home connections, you can simply let me know in the comment section. I will make a dedicated video for it. So if you find this video useful, please hit the like button, do share it to your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more exciting videos. Until next time we meet, bye bye.